DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money. Can it be saved? I found this old drill chuck. It don't turn no more. Let's give it a douche and see what happens. It's not getting fully submerged. I need another container. What's this? Let's use this. Oh, what is that? I have no idea what's in there. Beeswax? I think that used to be, I have no idea. Let's put it in here so that she can be fully submerged in muriatic acid. Oh, look at that, it fits perfect. You know, I bet you this is good for plants, because that's all iron. A lot of plants need iron. They've got like deficient, like fruit trees especially. You know, just throw this in, just dump it in there. There's probably a lot of it in the solution also, a lot of iron, you know. Alright, so let's see if that drill chuck can be saved. Now let's see how our chuck is doing. I just took it out, and look at that. It is turning, baby. It is working. Look at that. That was froze up before, remember? So we saved the chuck. It was saved. I'm gonna pour this on my fruit trees once it gets totally depleted. So I'm gonna rinse all this off and soak them and throw some oil on them, and we're good to go, kids. Nice. Another success story. Onward and upward. Yay! Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made $10,000. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And then some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.